flamethrowing DJ battling loss, but also fired up about some of the current messaging in music. And by the way, he says, don't call it dancehall.
Well, I know something where me like bad mind people, I know something where me like racist people, I know something where me like evilous people, I know something where me, I know something where me, I know something where me like.
The death of Capleton's manager Claudette Kemp after battling kidney disease, creating more than just a professional void in his life.
For real, because as me know, she understand me. You know, I understand her. You know, she's like my second mom. She's like a sister. She's a friend. But we travel the road 24/7. One of our main passions in life is to travel and see the world.
A passion Kemp shared with Capleton, himself a world traveller and Rasta evangelist, delivering high-energy sets filled with fervour and an intensity like no one else, really. Festivals in Austria, the Netherlands, France and Spain, the usual summer gigs. But Capleton not just going through the motions.
There is no limit to our music. Because I say it brings that love, it brings that soul, it have that spiritual connection, it make people get into themselves, it make people cry, you know, crying through that joy and that love and the connection with them feel. Because I say music are the function of the head and the heart, you know. So them communicate, them work, you know. That's why I don't sing songs that someone wrote. You know what I mean? I have to write what I feel, so it's authentic. So when I'm on the stage and I'm delivering, then you know people can feel it because it's coming from my heart. It's something that I've been through or something I'm gonna go through. It may write about.
Over here, everybody, dance on! Come on, everyone, ready,
The lines blur when it comes to Capleton between reggae and dancehall. You're a part of both traditions. The torch has been given to some extent to a younger generation. Do you still call what the younger generation is doing dancehall?
They call it a different name. The youths them are the youths them, you know what I mean? They're gonna have new experiments, youth are gonna try experiment and whatever, you know what I mean?
But isn't it dancehall too?
It's not dancehall. For me, 90s dancehall is dancehall. What is it now? Are the youth them have asked for that, are the youth them thing? You know, we don't call it trap. Okay.
What do you hear when you listen to it?
We are here to listen to it. Well, I'm not here to criticize her, you understand me, I say, but you know, if someone is saying something positive, I don't really care if it is trap, or if it's calypso, or if it's soul, or it is R&B, or if it is hip hop, or whatever. As long as the message is positive, and if me like the beat, because I love beat, you understand me, I say, if me like the rhythm too, me still have to listen to it, you know what I mean? But it's up to us to know what to promote.
He says the message is either uplifting, meaningful, benefits society, or it's, well, let him say it.
We promote all of this crap and all of this rubbish, and then we make it seem that this is what we have to offer. It's not what we have to offer, and then we have a problem again. Why? Because we don't honor the people that was before us, the people who have track record, the people who have longevity, the people who leave the deep footprints in the sands of time. Why we don't honor that? You make it look like, say, you pop up from some place. You don't pop up from nowhere. Everybody emulates somebody. No one is indispensable or indestructible. The world no revolve, no round, no one man. Tomorrow no promise nobody. So if you feel like it's all about you, so you're the king and you're the god, and you're the don and the general, you have a next guest coming.
Some messaging in the music clearly hitting a nerve.
We work hard for it and we see what the rest of them doing. You understand me? I say, so we're not supposed to allow certain things. But true me know say it is in a little box. It doesn't matter me because I travel the globe and I see what the music is all about and what people really gravitate to and what makes sense. You understand? People don't stupid. You understand? They don't know you. They don't know what you're saying. You understand me? I say them can't gravitate. Them can't communicate. It's not working. Do the right thing. Do what is uplifting. Remember, say you have sisters in there, you have brother in there. You see me, only son love the youth them. You understand? I'm not only son love people, only love people, only love money.
But a lot of the people who did 90s dancehall also went out on a limb, promoted gun violence, promoted this, promoted things that aren't really healthy and upful. You know, and they also had their journey and made their mistakes.
Yeah, but the immoral behavior wasn't so deep though. It's oversaturated. Certain man couldn't say certain things. You know what I mean? The people would rebel, real rebel. People, maybe I'll buckle man that get to. You understand what I mean? I say, no, it's like the norm and nothing. We have the youths, them grow up and them are the future. Them live where them learn. So if you teach them a certain kind of things, then that them are going to work with. You understand what I mean? I say, So we just have to teach you the truth.
But maybe they did live what they learned, and this is the result.
Yeah, but not live what they learn. Dancehall is dancehall. And it will always promote certain things. It's up to you for where you want to gravitate to. So why you choose to take the negative side. Remember, I sing a certain kind of songs, so I don't deny that. But at the end of the day, I go find out, say, yo, I have to go allow this. You understand what I say? And at the end of the day, I really want the opportunity to get the chance to go out there. You know what I mean? And to show people what I really have. You see, but at the time, I have to sing for the girls, and I have to sing for the road boy, them, and in order to make me name and people know me, and then we can say, yeah, see it, this, me, the having me.
It a go get to
So dancehall is a specific genre of reggae, but it's not the dancehall that you remember. What exists now is different.
Of course, it's definitely different. But watch this now. The authentic dancehall, it cannot deteriorate. It cannot be blotted out. You understand me? I say it will always there. Because remember, say there's a lot of positive message. You know what I mean? That channel, true 90s dancehall. Capleton was one of the first dancehall artists who put Naya Bingy jump in a dancehall beat. You understand me? I say, and come sing conscious lyrics and dancehall beat and show people say, oh, it can't work. You don't have to sing about gun or you don't have to sing about this or whatever. Feet work. I did that with positive lyrics. United we stand and divided we fall. Them not gonna do themselves until them back against the wall. Me tell you no arms out. We no want that boat. Name it. There are so many positive. Light up the chalice, make we burn down road. You see what I say? It work.
But what you're also known for at the same time is a high-level, high-intensity performance on stage.
Yeah.
Is it getting difficult to sustain that?
Difficult? You know, you the people them say what they are. Them say me I jump higher than when me just start. And some people say me I jump the same way. When you talk about it cannot change because that people don't know. They must say, Capleton, where you eat, where you drink, where you get the energy from. I get the energy from the musicians, the instruments, the people, and the love that I have for the music, the passion that I have deeply within, knowing that, you know, this is what I love. I want to represent my country well. I want to represent the music well. I want to represent the people well, and I want to please the fans well. You know what I mean? That's what it's all about. So more time you're on stage, more time you do certain things, you not even know until maybe you watch back the video. You understand what I say? So me, I ignite the audience and them give me back that energy. That will make me all fly.
If them a worry and a bust brain, make it fall like something they no must rain. Babylon a chu they no must train.
Delivery has always been a key thing for me. And then you have to sing back the songs in the same key, say, the same melody. It now have to be auto-tune, it now have to be melody. It's the thing that I'm talking about, authenticity. If that not in the thing, it now work, brother. And some man up on stage, them not dance, them not smile, them not laugh, them not all a jive with it. Them things that don't work. That is not entertainment, that is not music.
Them could not be no friends of me. None of them fool could name.
I'm not fighting the youth them. You know what I mean? But I just tell the youth themselves to try be positive, you know what I mean? Try have some positive song in your thing. You know, make people know so you can do something meaningful to uplift it. It's not all about way and lay. Sky's the limit. Fly past the cloud. Make it work. You understand? Don't just look with the physical eye, man. Remember your inner eye, man, your inner power, man, your inner you, man. Don't confuse yourself, man. Anything where you have to search for in the earth, you have to find it in yourself first. You want to find God? God lives in you. What is God? What is God? God is love. Don't it?
Make them know say you're not pretend I'm I evil them a render me, them don't go see the end of me. So let's see you defend them.
You think when you say all of these things and you're in your Aki and you're talking the things you want to talk about, you think people really understand what Capleton is going on about?
Of course people understand.
You think they get it?
Yeah, the people not stupid.
Or they say, oh God, there he goes again.
If they didn't understand, they wouldn't say no. John was star. A long time Capleton I said them something, you know. You see me, you know the amount of respect me get when me walk through the road, I walk through the street. I'm gonna tell you something about some boy at all. Them now broke my brother and them too mean. And them too greedy and them not help nobody. You understand me I say? And then you can't be breadwinner and you not feed nobody and you not help nobody. Them all about themselves, them too selfish. Jah don't like selfishness. You understand me I say? You must share.
Yeah, I evil them a render me, them don't go see the end of me. So let's see I defend them, them could not be no friends of me. None of them.
As I said, it's just mankind. They fall short. They fall short of salvation. They fall short of spirituality. They fall short of love.
You
they
fall
short
short
of unity. Me don't have time to fall short. You understand me? I say, I can't fall short. I stand tall. You know that? I see the wicked man will have to fall, but all the righteous one will have to stand tall. And the wrong man them go call. I know them back against the wall. Them tell them it's a raggy road. Road is so rough. Raggy road, road is so tough. Raggy road, road is so rough. Raggy road, yeah. Well, I've been treading this road for the longest while of my career. Now for them one for soil. Hey.
See that? Let me tell you this. 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 Yeah, you want to tell them? Well, I know some who me love. Bad mind people, I know some who me love. Grudgeful people, I know some who me love. Evilest people, I know some who me. I know some who me. I know some who me love.